Thanks for joining the Discovery Center as we discover at home.
Hi guys, my name is Miss Kaylee from the Don Harrington Discovery Center to visit you guys again for our Discover at Home videos. One of the cool things I have brought with us today is going to be a soap-propelled boat, a soap. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a good helping of water, some good old Dawn dish soap, a nice big pan, and then we're going to need some different kinds of paper. I did some watercolor paper and then just some normal construction paper in different colors. You're also going to need a pair of scissors. Alrighty guys, so now that we have all of our supplies with us, we're going to go ahead and fill this pan up with water. And you want it probably about halfway full, because we are going to be making a boat today. So the more water is going to give it more area to kind of float on. So we'll set that over there. Now what we're going to need to do next is we're going to need to cut out a shape kind of like this. Now I have two different ones, so I've already cut out my watercolor paper. So we're going to go ahead and do it again with our green construction paper. So what I like to do is cut out a rectangle, and you can do this probably any shape or size. But the main thing is I want you guys to be able to see it, so we're going to kind of cut just a little bit extra off. We're going to make a big arrow at the top, kind of like a big house. And then the most important part is the engine for our boat. So you're going to want to cut two little straight lines at the bottom and a big sucker kind of way, like a big circle. And it's going to look like you cut out a sucker. So that one's a little big. So we'll see if this one will work, but we have this one as well. So we'll go ahead and start with our white watercolor paper. Now you want to put this in the corner of your pan. It's going to float by itself already. Now for this next part, we're going to just put a little drop of soap, maybe, right in the little hole of our sucker. And you'll see it's actually kind of moving around quite nicely until it capsizes. Alrighty guys, so that is for our soap propelled boat from for our Discovery at Home. I hope you guys can get to do this experiment at home. Hopefully it'll work just a little bit better with all the different types of boats you can design, and then making the soap propel a little bit better than mine did. Again, make sure to check out our YouTube and Facebook for more at home discovery videos.